Hi, the question is from statistics. It is asked us to analyze whether the pipe weld in a nuclear power plant met its specifications or not. Given data is, they have given sample mean as 100 and they have denoted null hypothesis as H0. It states that mu is always equal to, mu means true mean is equal to sample mean. Alternate hypothesis, the one which is denoted by H alpha, states that mu is greater than 100. We have to analyze this. In order to analyze this, we need to